and welcome in today's tutorial where I'll be teaching you about something called friend. So what is a friend in C++? Wow. Hello everyone and welcome in today's tutorial where I'll be teaching you about friends in C++. So what are friends exactly? So for example, we have a class and we want to share a certain info with another function outside our class. And let's say we have a function that's in our private access modifier to tell that we can give our class can give its friendship to other classes. We need to use something called friend. To get started, let's simply make a class called Ognema and simply like that. Inside here, we will have a public access modifier that will return a constructor. And we will also have a private error here. So expect identifier. Oh yeah, I forgot that in classes we do not have parentheses. We don't add parentheses. But anyways, here in the public access modifier, we have our constructor, and what we want to pass down to it is the variable we're going to create. And what we're going to do is var is equal to 0. We're going to assign it to a value. Why does it? Oh, but it's it's misspelled. Perfect. Sometimes in programming you get a lot of these errors. So here we are setting the value of our variable equal to 0. And let's see how can we give a our friendship to another class. What we need to do, simply type the friend word, friend, and then make our function augments friend. And here what we're going to do is set ognema memory location of our object. And that's it for the code in our class. What we can do now is outside, the class needs to give its friendship so other methods can take it. But it's not that simple because like in real life, everyone does not cannot take your friendship. That's why we have the address location from or the memory location from Ognan's friend. So for example, void Ognan's friend Ognema at SFO. We are accessing the memory location from the class Ognema, and sofo.var we're going to set equal to 99. Perfect. And now let's print out sfo.vr. I meant var, but okay. So what did we do here? We see the way we gave our friendship to this function that we coded outside of the class is by using the friend keyword, and then we declared we prototyped our function like normal, and in the parentheses we made a object that it sets to its memory location. So when we change some stuff, we don't just make a copy of the variable, but we directly change it, in its memory address. So Ognema OOB, we're creating an object for our class, and here we're just going to use Ognan's friend OB. That's all we need. So when we run this, 99. You see, we didn't need to use ob.ognensFriend because in the parentheses we have the object, and when we call it, it automatically knows because we changed its value here. As you see, SVO, it accesses its memory address, and as we learned, when we change the value from the memory address, it wipes out the old value and the new value overwrites the old one. So that's all for this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one.